Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. My name is Ibrahim El-Zakzaki, and I'm making this video to address the issue of the press statement that went out today that was saying that the Islamic movement had decided not to continue with the protests going on in Abuja. This is not the official view of the Islamic movement, and the protests are continuing. And even as I record this video right now, earlier today there was a protest in Abuja, just as there will be tomorrow, and there will continue to be protests just as they have been for the past years on every weekday of the week. And I just wanted to clarify as well, because I saw that a lot of these news agencies were stating that the spokesperson of the Islamic movement wrote this statement. First of all, the Islamic movement has no such thing as a spokesperson, and the person who wrote this article is the chairman of